Have you ever encountered cycle? If so, you're in the right place now. No matter what brings trouble to your device, this is undoubtedly a depressing problem as all the features on your device become unusable. You don't need to worry about it anymore, as we will show you 4 different ways that you can attempt to get your iPhone stuck on Apple logo issue fixed. Although the reasons why on the Apple logo screen vary, the main causes are generally inseparable from the following 3 aspects. The first one is hardware issues, which is one of the startup routine of your iPhone to check in with. Besides, software problems like file transfer, restoring, iOS upgrades can also result in the accident of iPhone stuck on Apple logo. The last one may be related to the jailbreak error. Jailbreaking is a mode of unlocking your device that will see the user being able to access third-party applications that are not acceptable by Apple. In this part, we'll show ways to fix the iPhone stuck on white Apple logo issues. The first 4 suggestions are for those whose iPhone problem is caused by software issues. If you've tried them one by one, but the stuck problem still exists, you may go to the final one. The first option, you can start your iPhone device. It is also the easiest solution to take when facing common iOS issues like iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Even if it may not work, it's still worth trying as the operation won't be harmful to anything on your device. Plus you can perform the hard reset without a computer. It seems that you've become % of users, which means that the Forcibly Reboot didn't help to resolve the problem. All you can see from the interface remains the same, the iPhone won't turn on stuck on Apple logo screen. The good news is, you can get your faulty device repaired with an outstanding iOS system recovery tool specifically developed by TunesKit Studio. No matter which situation your iPhone is stuck in, this software, TunesKit iOS System Recovery, can get rid of them in 2 smart repair modes, Standard Mode and Advanced Mode. It is totally user-friendly, as what you only need to do is to open it and connect your device. Then the software will handle the rest work for you and recover your iOS to normal, causing no data loss or leak. That would be the most important part for most iPhone users. There's another way to fix won't turn on and being stuck in Apple logo, which is to put your device into recovery mode. However, all the files on your iPhone will be removed if taking advantage of this method. Therefore, just make sure that you've backed up your device to iTunes or iCloud previously. A DFU, Device Restore, actually reloads the firmware, controls the hardware of your device, thoroughly, but not only the software. This feature makes it different from other restoration types as well as the recovery mode. And it is the deepest type among all the iPhone Restore. If you've tried all of that, none of them works, your iPhone stuck on Apple logo problem might be caused due to the hardware issue. In this case, what you should do is either contact Apple support online or take your phone to the Apple Store for help. Do not take it to a non-Apple technical repair store and let them open your device if your device is still in warranty. If your iPhone is out of warranty, the cost may be high,